Hi and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel once again. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification for getting more latest update videos. Thank you. Before we are starting the videos, today we are going to talk about how to rewire and how to troubleshoot and how to diagnose the power visit 2.0 and 1.0. Okay, let's start it. First of all, we are going to see the front view of this panel. Look at that, there is some buttons and some indicator lights. If you look at, here is a numbering, some display screen in the middle between AC overview hotkey and another one in DC overview hotkey, warning lamp, shutdown lamp, alarm acknowledge, lamp test run, auto stop, up cruiser, escape right cruiser, enter, down cruiser, left cruiser. Okay, these all keys for function, and this green buttons for directly starting, manually starting, and this yellow buttons for auto starting. This is the auto mode selection button. If we put our generator in auto mode, you should press this button. After that, our generator start automatically when our main line is fail or trip up. After that, this red button is instant stopping, manually stopping. You see, this is our display. After that, we are going to explain the complete whole wiring of Power Visit 1.0 and 2.0. Okay, this is the complete wiring of Power Visit. You can see in the top of line. After that, we are going to in the detail. We are going to start from top to the bottom. Okay, look, that's 67 and 66. This is our magnet backup input, positive, and magnet backup unit NPU. This is our MPU connection. MPU means magnet backup unit, revolution per minute. Okay, MPU is mounted on our engine alternator housing flywheel. MPU have two wires. Okay, we should to insert this MPU wire to these points. Okay, after that you can see the 42, 34 and 50. This is our CAN communication system data link connector. Okay, negative, positive and shield wire. Okay, this is for CAN communication system lines. Okay, this is the complete 3-wire system. Okay, CAN high and CAN low 5 volts. You can see there is a J1939 CAN communication data link. Okay, after that, this 31, 47, 57, 39. This is our current transformer connection. Okay, CT1, CT2, CT3. The 3 CTs, one side S2, S2, S2 is common, going to the 39 point to connect it. After that, the 31 CTs, each CTs of single wire is going to and connect hairs A, B and C, or L1, L2, L3. Okay, you can see this is the another side, piezo analog, positive, piezo analog, negative. That's mean our cooling temperature sensor have two wire directly coming from the sensor and connected to the engine ECA engine panel connector, and the blow oil pressure sensor have two wire, positive and negative, is directly connected here. Okay, after that, discrete input, this all input is negative. Okay, after that, this is our relays and panel wake up supply. Okay, this is 6 relays. Okay, This release is actually NONC systems. We put some N positive supply in going to the starter relay, and fuel solenoid shut off, generator start and stop, and fuel shut up and cranking. This all relay you can use for cranking and fuel stop solenoid, and this is will be programmable. Okay, and this upper 65 and 52 is our battery negative and positive supply, 24 volt or 12 volt. Okay, you can see, look that very closely here, that this is a 65 and 52. This is our module and panel wake up supply. Okay, this is the complete wiring explanation by diagram. I hope you learned with the detail. If you have any question, any doubt, please write the comment below. I can help you anytime. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.